की आपणूय एक टायमार आमच्या देशाची एक काँग्रेस वावुरपी आणि तूंय काँग्रेस वावुरपी म्हूण पूण आपण एक तुमकां सांगता आनी हे जेन्ना ती सांगताली म्हजे वांगडी म्हजे बराबर आशिल्ले आनी ती सांगूंक लागली की देर इज नो हाय कमांड गोवन्स विल बी द हाय कमांड I will be a worker for the people of Goa. आणि आयज आमकां हें हिंगा दिश्टी पडटा. आनीक तिणें म्हाका सांगलें की BJP पक्ष आहा they attacked her. They used, abused, misused all their agencies. They had hundreds of meetings against Didi and Trinamool. They said, you, people of Goa, have painstakingly preserved it, protected it, and kept it. We would like to respect it. And that is what Didi said. She said, even after they attack me physically, I walk every day 20 kilometers. And she told me, when I come to Goa, I will walk with you and I will walk with the Goans. Everybody was so surprised, was so emotionally charged. एक नवी चळवळ ही चळवळ आमी जी सुरवात करतात ही चळवळ आखे गोंया प्रत्येक गोंयच्या पोंतांनी उत्तर गोंय ते दक्षिण गोंय आमी वतले. We will go to the doorsteps of the people because people are the masters, we have to serve them. That was a slogan I had given earlier and people understood it. We will try to find out what are the problems. लोकांचे प्रश्न, लोकांचे अडचण्यो, लोकांचे डिफिकल्टीज, लोकांची पॉप्युलर एस्पिरेशन्स. ही चळवळ जी आहा म्हज्या नदरेन म्हत्वाची. जुंय तरुण तरणाटे, जुंय महिला, जुंय जाणटे नेणटे प्रत्येक मागांतले बागांतले धर्मांतले लोक लोकांचे प्रश्न आज व्हडल्यांतली व्हडली प्रश्न गोंयांत आमचे तरणाट्यांक. तरणाटे शिकिल्ले बेकार आहात. Their names are rotting on the live register of employment exchange. There is no hope. There is no future. म्हज्याच मतदारसंघातले कितलेशे भुरगे इंजिनियर जाल्ले बेकार आहा, पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्ले बेकार आहा, ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्ले बेकार आहा. फाटले 10 वर्सांक तुम्ही कितें तरी गोंयां सरकारी नोकऱ्यो मेळ्ळ्यो त्यो आयकले. फाटले 10 वर्सांक तुम्ही खंयचेय तरी उद्योग धंदो कितें तरी जाल तो आयकला. Goa is on a total economic meltdown. Goa's economic indicators has come to the lowest. The unemployment has gone 45 years behind. Mining has been stopped. उद्योग बंद. अनेक आम्ही पळयलें जाल्यार साबार प्रश्न. This government has made Goa the coal capital. गोंयांत कोळसो कोणी हाडलो? 11 मिलियन टन्स गोंयांत कोळसो कोणी परवानगी दिली. सुप्रीम कोर्ट को म्हणटा की 35,000 crores of illegal loot has to be recovered. आमच्या सरकारान सुप्रीम कोर्टात affidavit घातला की we have already issued notices to recover 3,000 crores out of 35,000 crores. That was the affidavit. एक पैसो recover केला. At the booth level, and we will make sure that we fight the elections in all the 40 constituencies of Goa.
So,
Definitely. So many people have been phoning me. No, it is not. It is, I don't know, you are also going with the propaganda. We are not going to ask anybody to come. We want to ask the people who are ready to fight the BJP, please come forward, join this movement, join Trinamool Congress, so we can fight it. Whether they are coming from certain caste, creed is not my concern. Goa has been very secular. We want everybody who thinks that they can play a role in the development and progress of the state of Goa, can play a role for a change. They should come and they should join us. Therefore, our slogan is New Dawn in Goa. And to participate into this movement of New Dawn in Goa, I appeal to everybody, irrespective of caste and creed, irrespective of the political parties. For me, I want everybody who has got a fire in the belly to come forward, because the time is short, time is ripe. They should come forward and join this movement to take Goa ahead.
So, Congress said that they won't be taking the betrayed MLAs back to the Congress. So, will you all be taking them back in TMC? Will you all be welcoming them in TMC to contest from TMC?
See, TMC is a new party in Goa. TMC would like to change that trend of IRAMs and GAIRAMs. TMC would like to see good people, preferably young people. But we will not bring the candidates from the high command. We will create and see that we get the best candidates from the grassroots level after consulting the people.
If you remember by-election, they had supported BJP candidates.
Who?
So,
See, I am telling you, you are answering your own question which your colleague has said. Are you going to take people from Congress? Are you going to take people from MGP? Are you going to take people who are from different political this? Trinamool is a movement. And that movement has got a appeal because people in Goa are fed up with the BJP. They want a change. I'm sure all of you want a change. So we would like to give a change.
Are you going to align question or there is like mandate? Are you going to take 10 MLAs who have betrayed?
Right now, as far as Trinamool Congress is concerned, we would like to give 40 clean new faces. And if there are good people, good leaders, credible leaders, we would like to have them so that ultimately the aim and objective is to serve the people and serve the state.
options are open. Options are open.
What is it?
Options are open then. They are clear.
No, you are talking of just 10.
Yeah.
I'm talking of 40.
No, sir. Question is very specific, sir. So please understand.
Yeah.
Are you going to welcome the defectors? That is the only question. Only
Right now we are looking for new faces. All over 40 constituencies.
Are you going to go align with the like-minded parties?
No, we will go ahead all alone as Trinamool Congress.